Hello and welcome to our channel. Whether you're new to smartphones or just looking to sharpen your skills, you've come to the right place. Smartphones have become an essential part of our daily lives, and knowing how to use them efficiently can make a huge difference. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, from unboxing your new device, setting it up, customizing it to suit your needs, and mastering advanced navigation like a pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident and in full control of your smartphone. So, grab your phone, settle in, and let's get started. Part 1. Unboxing and initial setup. Let's begin with the first step, unboxing your smartphone. Inside the box, you'll usually find the phone itself, a charging cable, a power adapter, a quick start guide, and occasionally extras like earbuds or a SIM ejector tool. Before diving into the setup, ensure your phone has enough charge to complete the process. If it's low on battery, plug it in and give it a few minutes to charge. Step 1. Turning on the phone. Locate the power button, which is typically on the side or top of the phone, and press and hold it until the screen lights up. Once it powers on, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Step 2. Language and region settings. Choose your preferred language from the list. Next, select your region or country, which ensures that your phone's date, time, and format align with local standards. Step 3. Connecting to Wi-Fi. For a seamless setup, connect to a Wi-Fi network. Select your home network from the list displayed, then enter the password. A strong Wi-Fi connection is essential for downloading updates and syncing your account during setup. Step 4. Signing in with your account. Most smartphones require you to sign in with an account for full functionality. For Android users, this means logging into your Google account, while iPhone users will use an Apple ID. If you don't have one, the setup process will guide you through creating an account. Step 5. Setting up security. Security is key. Your phone will prompt you to set up a method of unlocking your device. Options include PIN codes, passwords, patterns, or biometric methods like fingerprint or facial recognition. Choose one that works best for you. Step 6. Installing updates. Many smartphones require a software update during the initial setup. While it may take a few minutes, installing these updates ensures your phone has the latest features and security patches. Part 2. Customizing your phone. Now that your phone is set up, let's make it your own. Personalizing your device not only reflects your style, but also makes it easier to navigate. Step 1. Organizing your home screen. Your home screen is the first thing you see when you unlock your phone. Rearrange app icons by tapping and holding them, then dragging them to your desired location. You can group similar apps into folders by dragging one icon onto another. Step 2. Adding widgets for convenience. Widgets provide quick access to essential information like weather, calendar events, or reminders. To add a widget, press and hold an empty space on your home screen, tap Widgets, and select from the available options. Place the widget where it's most convenient for you. Step 3. Customizing your wallpaper and theme. Your wallpaper and theme set the visual tone for your phone. To change your wallpaper, go to the Wallpaper section in your settings and select from pre-installed images or upload your own. Some phones also let you change themes, including icon shapes and system colors. Step 4. Setting up notifications. Notifications can quickly become overwhelming. Go to your phone's notifications settings to control which apps can send alerts. You can choose to receive notifications with sound, silently, or not at all. This is especially helpful for reducing distractions. Step 5. Installing essential apps. Head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to download apps that suit your needs. Some must-haves include messaging apps like WhatsApp or Telegram, productivity tools like Microsoft Office or Google Drive, and entertainment apps like YouTube or Spotify. Remember to update your apps regularly for the best experience. Step 6. Exploring accessibility features. Smartphones offer a variety of accessibility features for users with specific needs. These include text-to-speech, magnification gestures, and color correction. Check your phone's settings under Accessibility to explore these options. Part 3. Mastering navigation and advanced features. Let's move on to mastering your phone's navigation and exploring its advanced capabilities. These tips will help you use your device efficiently. Step 1. Gesture navigation versus button navigation. Many smartphones now feature gesture-based navigation, replacing physical buttons. Here's how each works. Home gesture. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. Back gesture. Swipe inward from the left or right edge of the screen to go back. Recent apps. Gesture. Swipe up and hold to view recently used apps. If your phone uses physical buttons, the home, back, and recent apps buttons perform similar functions. Step 2. Using the Quick Settings menu, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the Quick Settings menu. This menu includes shortcuts for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, and more. You can customize it by adding or rearranging tiles to prioritize the features you use most. Step 3. Voice assistants. Voice assistants like Google Assistant or Siri can make life easier. Activate them by saying, "Hey Google," or "Hey Siri," or by holding the home button. Use voice commands to set reminders, send messages, make calls, or search the web hands-free. Step 4. Multitasking. Modern smartphones are designed for multitasking. On Android devices, you can enable split-screen mode to use 2 apps simultaneously. For iPhones, picture-in-picture mode lets you watch videos while using other apps. To enable these features, check your multitasking settings or long press the app you'd like to use. Step 5. Advanced keyboard features. Your smartphone's keyboard offers features like predictive text, swipe typing, and voice input. To save time, enable shortcuts for frequently used phrases. You can set these up in the keyboard settings under Text Replacement. Step 6. Managing battery life. Extend your battery life by adjusting settings like screen brightness, enabling battery saver mode, and closing apps running in the background. Check your battery usage stats in the settings to identify power-hungry apps and adjust their permissions. Step 7. Backing up your data. Ensure your data is secure by enabling automatic backups. Android users can use Google Drive, while iPhone users can use iCloud. Regular backups protect your photos, contacts, and important files in case you need to reset your phone or switch to a new device. Step 8. Using Find My Phone. Activate the Find My Phone feature to track your device if it's lost or stolen. This feature also lets you lock or erase your phone remotely for added security. Congratulations! You've completed our in-depth guide to smartphone basics. By now, you should be comfortable setting up, customizing, and navigating your device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.